Hey everybody, welcome back to Terra Mater Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about the suckermouth catfish, commonly known as Plecostomus. The suckermouth catfish is native to the rivers and streams of South America, particularly in the Amazon basin. These freshwater fish are popular in the aquarium trade due to their unique appearance and algae-eating habits, making them an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced aquarists. One interesting fact about the suckermouth catfish is their remarkable ability to adhere to surfaces using their specialized mouths. This adaptation allows them to graze on algae and biofilm on rocks and plants, which is crucial for their survival in their natural habitat. Suckermouth catfish typically features a robust, elongated body that can grow up to 24 inches in length, depending on the species. They have a distinctive flattened sucker mouth that allows them to scrape off algae off of surfaces. Their coloration ranges from brown to green, often with spots or stripes, providing excellent camouflage among rocks and vegetation. In the wild, suckermouth catfish inhabit slow-moving waters with plenty of hiding spots such as caves and submerged wood. In captivity, they thrive in a tank of at least 75 gallons with a temperature range of 75 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit and a pH level between 6.5 and 7.5. Providing a sandy substrate and plenty of hiding places is essential for their well-being. Suckermouth catfish are primarily nocturnal, becoming more active during the night when they search for food. They are herbivores, primarily feed on algae, but in captivity they can be supplemented with sinking pellets, blanched vegetables, and occasional protein sources like spirulina or algae wafers. A spacious aquarium with ample hiding spots is crucial for suckermouth catfish. They do well in community tanks with peaceful fish such as tetras, reservoirs, and guppies. However, avoid housing them with aggressive or territorial fish that may compete for space or food. It's important to note that they can be territorial as they mature, so providing multiple hiding spots can help reduce stress and aggression. Suckermouth catfish are often used in aquariums as algae eaters, helping to maintain a clean environment. While generally hardy, be cautious of their size. Larger specimens require larger tanks, and they may outgrow smaller setups. That concludes our care guide for the suckermouth catfish, or Plecostomus. These fascinating fish not only help keep your tank clean, but also add a unique dynamic to your aquatic environment. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your experience with suckermouth catfish in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Happy fish keeping.